So sa part 1, forces on simple beam. A simply supported beam is 5 meters in length. It carries a uniform distributed load including its own weight of 300 Newton meter and concentrated load of 100 Newton. 2 meters from the left end. Find the location A at the left end. So sa gihimo nga diagram, we have a 100 Newton, then 300 Newton meter. So natay 1.5, 1.5, 2 meters, 3 meters. Kung saan ito pagkuha na. Then naman tayo 2 meters, no? 2 meters from the left end. Find direction A. And so kay kuan man na siya, 5 meters manitanan. Then 3 meters, then 1.5, 1.5. Ito nga man. So resultant 300 times 3 is equals to 900 Newton meter. So summation of force B, moment of B is equal to 0, negative 5 RA plus 100 times 3 plus 900 times 3 times 1.5 is equals to 0. RA natin is 110 kilonewton. So number 6, 500 kilograms block is resting on a 300 degrees inclined plane with mu is equals to 0.3. Find the required force P acting horizontally. What will start the block up the lane? So kanino sa atong block sa y and x axis, we have y and x axis. We have a weight 500 kilograms. Nari sa x axis ug y axis. Then we have 30 degrees. Then P na to is siya sa x. Then kani siya nga force is same ra gihapon diri nga angle, ngaring angle ug ngaring angle same ra gihapon 30 degrees. 30 degrees nga angle dinhi, so natay 30 degrees pud nga angle diri tikas. So given we have weight nga 100 kilograms and mu nga 0.3. So summation of force vertical is equal to 0 n plus 500 cos 30 n 500 cos kay naman diri nga side tinapupot po siya sa adjacent. 30 degrees, then P sin 30 degrees equal to 0. So natay n nga 333.01 plus 0.5 P. Then sa P we have a formula nga mu times n. So mu na to is 0.3, then ang n na to we have 433.01 plus 0.05. Then ang force na to is 129.90 plus 0.15 P. Note that equation 1. So summation of P horizontal equal to 0. So P cos 30 degrees. F minus 5 cosine 30 degrees equal to 0. P cos kapilang F plus 500 sin 30. Then P cos 30 is equals to 129.90 plus 0.5 P plus 500 sin 130. Then P na to is 500.6 kilograms. So muna siya 530.6 kilograms.